Gemini, what's on my schedule today?
Your schedule is completely clear for today.
Is there a local cricket scene?
In the broader Paris region, the more formal cricket scene is organized.
What about gully cricket?
Take ball cricket is much more common in the Paris region.
Where can I play?
The Sarcey Cricket Club is based nearby and competes in local leagues.
Oh, perfect. Let's go.
Okay, I'm pulling up directions to Sarcey Cricket Club.
This neighborhood looks cool.
You're in the 10th arrondissement.
Anything that I'd like in this area?
There's a well-known Indian restaurant nearby.
Do they have butter chicken?
Yes, locals seem to love it.
You mind if I play some cricket with you?
Yes.